Here I have Suzuki Vitara and let me show you how to make the manual time adjustment on the following car. Let's begin. So as you can see, most of the cars are using the automatic time and date, but you can also manually adjust it. Let me show you how to do it. All you need to do is use the gear icon, so the settings. From the settings, let's select the first tab, so the system settings, and then let's scroll down to select here the clock settings. Under clock settings, you can choose here the time adjustment, as you can see right here. And here you can do a few things. You can choose the time zone. So you can use the automatic time zone, or you can choose one of the following time zones that are on the list. You can select the summer time settings. So you can use the auto summer time settings, or you can manually adjust the summer time, so you can switch it on or off. In my case, let me tap auto. You can also go back and choose here the manual time settings. And here you can change the date, you can change the time. Basically, you can do everything right here. If you mess something up, you can always tap reset to reset it right here. Alright, so I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.